Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be polishing out my 2017 C7 Corvette Stingray. I washed the car yesterday, so I wanted to try and speed this up and just give you guys a glimpse into what I'm doing and how I do what I do. I strip washed the car yesterday using Purple Power vehicle and boat wash. I used that with my cheap foam cannon that I picked up from Amazon. I didn't want to contaminate my MTM foam cannon, and for as much as I stripped the cars that I have, I didn't feel it necessary to spend 80-90 bucks for the PF22. So I stripped the car using Purple Power vehicle and boat wash. From there, I used CarPro Iron X and chemically decontaminated the car, and then I went ahead and rinsed that with DI water from the CR Spotless, and then I clayed the car. And if you guys aren't familiar with this is 3M perfected clay. I use this in combination with Adam's detail spray. If you guys haven't tried this, is really a good product. Not that expensive, but I've tried Geon clay. That worked well. And I've also tried Meguiar's clay, the cheap one that you can pick up from AutoZone or any of the other Napa or any of the other auto parts stores. So, clayed the car using 3M perfected. And so now we're ready to polish. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the car down using Geon Prep and tape the car up. Like I said, I moved forward a little bit because you guys have seen me wash the car before. The procedure hasn't changed that much. I'm gonna do another video after I get some protection on the car. Now, I was going to use Geon Can Coat on the car. I specifically bought this to use on the C7, but Matt over at Obsessed Garage, I subscribe to his channel. I've been a subscriber for quite some time now. He raves over Just Car Power Lock Plus and also Colinite 845. So I am going to use the Just Car Power Lock Plus and the Colinite 845. Can Coat is a semi-permanent, gives you about a year or so of protection on the car. I'm gonna use Colinite, number one, because I want to see, what it's all about. A lot of people talk about it, and like I said, Matt loves it. So I am going to try that to see what it's about. I should be able to get, a number of months, 8-9 months of protection out of it. And if I don't like it, I can go ahead and strip wash the car and go ahead and use the Can Coat, So, it's a win-win for me. But using the Power Lock Plus and the Colinite gives me a little bit more flexibility if I want to make some changes. So let's go ahead, grab the Geon Prep and start wiping the car down with Geon Prep, and then we'll grab our polishers and get going on that. I am going to be using a Max Shine 5-inch DA polisher with the yellow Rupes pad, and I'm also going to be using the Adams Mini Swirl Killer, the 3-inch Mini with a yellow Rupes pad. I will be using Sonax Perfect Finish because, like I said, the car is in phenomenal shape, but I do want to get a little bit more out of the car before I go ahead and add my protection. So let's start getting the car wiped down and get the parts taped up that need to be taped up. Sorry about the fan noise in the background. As you guys know, I'm in California, Southern California, and we've had this heat wave that's just been absolutely ridiculous. Hold on. All right, guys, sorry about that. But as I was saying, I'm in Southern California, and we've had a heat wave for probably the past 15 days where we've been over 100 degrees pretty much for, like I said, the last 15 days. And there is no let up. I checked the weather report this morning, and it is going to continue. We'll be 97, 98, 100 plus for the next 15 days additionally. So July is super hot for us here in California. So I just wanted to say that, and like I said, apologize to you guys for the noise. What I'm using is Geon Prep to go ahead and prep the surface, wipe the car down, and get any contaminants, or, you know, just to give myself because it's contaminant free, but just to give myself a clean surface to work off of. Get this all wiped down. It's been over a year since the car has been stripped and polished out. You know, I got that done. I didn't have polishers when I first bought the car, but I did have it corrected when I first bought it, and now it's time to do it again. So pretty excited to get this done. So I won't bore you guys with wiping down, showing me wipe down the entire vehicle. But what I am doing, like I said, is just using Geon Prep on the car and some nice soft microfiber towel. So I'll go ahead and finish wiping the car down with Geon Prep, tape up the areas of the car that need to be taped, and then I'll bring you guys back for the polishing. Go ahead and bump it up to 4.5 and start our passes. Let's go ahead and wipe that off and see what it looks like. Yeah. I mean, I knew, like I said, that you know, my car is in great shape anyway, but all of the little marring that was there in that section is gone. And I know you guys can't see that probably from over there, but there is nothing there. So we are gonna keep this train rolling. I'm gonna add a little more polish to my pad, and I'll pick up this section here and we'll move around the car like that. I mean, I think this polisher works pretty good. I mean, it's not a Rupes polisher, and I am, as you guys can tell, no professional, but you know, for less than 200 bucks, I think it works good. So let's go ahead and spread this around and keep moving, because I got a lot of work to do today. Go ahead and wipe this off and see what we have. Not a lot of dusting either, as you guys can see. Like I said, for me, I just wanted to do a simple one step just to bring up the shine a little bit and take any of the little micro marring that was on the car, especially this roof area where I grab it and stow it in the back section. Had a few scrapes and a few scratches on it, very small though. But we got everything off of here. We'll wipe down with Geon Prep when we finish. So let's move on to another section of the car. Yeah, that works. Let's go ahead and pick up this other section. After I do this section, I'll go ahead and blow the pad out and get that done. But everything is going along great. Adams Mini Swirl Killer, Sonax Perfect Finish, and the Rupes yellow pad. As you guys can see, dude, this is killing it. Absolutely. Can't wait till we get the Power Lock Plus and the Colinite 845 on it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right here. Sorry I'm all blown out because of the lights, but I'll go ahead and stop the video right here, continue on, polish out the rest of the car, and then I'll bring you guys back when we do the Power Lock Plus and the Colinite 845. Man, it is hot as hell in here. So, all right, see you guys in a minute.